All right, well, today is October the 5th, 2018. Right now, we have partly cloudy skies in the Los Angeles basin. The temperature is around 63 degrees, something like that, 64. Okay, so we're looking at the northeast Pacific water vapor loop, and we see that Hurricane Walaka is now a tropical storm. The storm has been completely squashed, and we see the jet stream flow here. We had predicted that this storm would be quickly killed off, which it was. This was a Category 4 storm just a couple of days ago, and we see that there's really nothing left. We do still have some clockwise, or rather counterclockwise rotation here in this system, but we have a jet stream flow right towards California, and so these weather controllers have squashed and killed this thing off with microwave or laser to weaken it and basically kill it off. Now, we may see in California today, in Southern California and Central California, some chemtrail spring. We have jet stream flow and no rain forecasted for the Central and Southern California areas. So we may see the jets up today spring. Let's go ahead and look at the Doppler map right now. And we can see that up in Oregon and Washington, there's plenty of rain falling. Nothing in California as that water vapor approaches California. So we will probably see a lot of spring later on this afternoon. We'll just have to wait and see what happens, but that is the forecast. All right, now notice we have a low pressure system right here, which is moving into Oregon and Washington, right there. And this is bringing a lot of rain, just like we saw in the Doppler map right here. But the last low pressure system that just passed through California here just a couple of days ago only dropped 3/100ths of an inch of rain in the foothills of Los Angeles. 3/100ths of an inch in the foothills. That is just amazing. And look up here. These guys are getting plenty of rain up there from this much smaller weather system. Well, it's about the same size. But we can see that plenty of water vapor moving in, and the weather controllers are allowing it to rain. Now here in the, right here, where is it? Right over here. This is the the western infrared loop, the western U.S. rainbow loop. We can see that low pressure system moving into Washington and Oregon. Okay. Let's look at the hurricane map real quick. This is Sergio, Category 3 storm, 115 mile per hour winds moving west at 8 miles per hour. Now, the interesting thing is that this storm was forecasted to move out west. And now, taking a look at the path, this is going to hook back to the northeast, right towards Baja and Southern California. So we'll keep an eye on this storm. This will be generating some high swells in the area. This will hook back and probably amplify a lot of the swells already generated by this system that are moving north. And so it'll hook back, and this will probably, we'll just keep an eye on that and see what happens. Next, let's look at the Central Pacific. We have Walaka, which has been blown apart. I couldn't do a video yesterday, but yesterday's satellite maps really captured some great activity showing how these weather controllers superheat and destroy hurricanes. This thing was knocked down from a Category 4 to a tropical storm within 48 hours. Looking at the track, it's going to move to the northeast and probably get caught in a jet stream. So this thing has been blown apart as we had forecasted. Now, looking at some of these other maps, we see that Sergio down here has a very well-defined eye wall. Right here is the water vapor map. We can see the blast pattern right up here. So this storm is being gradually weakened, yet it still has a very well-defined eye wall right there. And we can see the pressure waves moving out right there. Okay, so the forecast is possible chemtrail spraying for California later today. You see that jet stream flow moving right into the state. Washington and Oregon are getting soaked. California is getting no rain currently. And as this dives down further, we'll just have to see, we can see the front or the very edge of this, well, I guess this is a frontal system right here, this area right here, of course. So we're seeing the beginnings of this water vapor moving in, and we should, because of the no rain forecast, we should expect to see some fairly strong spraying activity by these specially equipped jets in the northern, central, and southern California area. We can look at the Doppler once again. Zero rain, except way up here at the very top near the Eureka area. Okay, so that's it. We'll just leave it right here and do another update soon. That's it.